Hey guys, this is John here with Team One. I'm here with Mr. Kaleb with Kaleb's Cars. Kaleb, tell me a little bit about the Ford GT behind us and what you guys do at Kaleb Cars.
Yeah, guys, how you doing? So at Kaleb Cars, we buy, sell, and consign the world's finest 2005, 2006 Ford GTs. So that's kind of all we specialize in. We don't buy and sell anything else. It is the Gen 1 Ford GT only. And yeah, that's all we love.
And what's this car like? How many miles are on it? Where did you find it? Was this a local car? Did you have to bring it in? Or?
Yeah, so this car actually came from Canada. It is a US spec car. It's a 4-option car. Centennial White, blue stripes, all 4 options. That's what people like to have, which are BBS wheels, painted calipers, full stripes, and a nice top stereo.
Nice. So whenever you have somebody that's looking for, a GT that they're going to put in a collection, what are some of the main criteria that they look for?
Yeah, so they're going to want a car that is, as mint condition as possible. Original paint, no accidents, low owners, pretty standard stuff across most collector cars. Usually guys want 4 options, so there's only 4 available options on these cars. So usually a 4-option car is going to be more valuable than a 2 or 3 option. As well as mileage, 1,000 mile car is going to have a huge price change from a 10,000 mile car.
Right. I know mileage is really important with these cars.
Absolutely.
So that can seriously impact the value. So how much of a spread can you see between one of these cars that's like, say, 5 or 10 miles versus one that's got a few thousand on it?
Yeah, so like a 2,600 mile car like this one can be valued anywhere from $515 to $530, depending on condition, when a 10,000 mile car could be in the $450 range. So
beautiful car. Thank you for showing us around. Let's go take a look.